Hey foodies, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be making Jamaican style fish on the grill. So let's get into it. So here I have all the ingredients that I'll be using. And this particular type of meal, it takes a lot of ingredients and a lot goes into it. So here I have the fish, the bell pepper, the carrots, the butter, the fresh thyme, the water crackers, the okra, and a bunch of other spices. First I went in and chopped my bell peppers, and this is what it looks like. See all that beautiful colors, makes you just want to eat the food. Then we went in and chopped my carrots and my okra and all the other ingredients, and I just put them on a plate. Nothing too special or anything. Then if you grew up Jamaican, your parents always tell you to clean your meat before you cook it. So here I just go and add some vinegar to my water, and then I wash the fish. Once I'm finished, I went and pat dry it, then I make some slices. You can do it horizontal or you can make some vertical slices, whichever one is pleasing to you. Then I went in with my salt, you don't want to put too much salt on it because the other powdered seasoning have a little salt in it. So we went in with the Maggi seasoning. This has a little bit of salt in it, so that's why you don't want to put too much salt on the fish. So then I just pour it generously all over. Then I went in with a bunch of other powdered seasoning, my black pepper and onion powder, and all these powdered seasonings what we typically use in Jamaica. After I add all these powdered seasoning, I just go ahead and massage all that seasoning into the fish, because you want to, when you're taking a bite, as I always say, when you're taking a bite, you just want to taste all those spices. So this is what it looks like. It's 3 nice big size fish. I get they were about 1.5 pounds or so. Then I went in and get my aluminum foil paper. I had to use like 3 pieces so that the fish won't leak, because when it starts steaming on the grill, it will start leaking. Then I went in and started filling the fish with all the bell peppers, the carrots, the okra, and all these other things in our time. And then after I finished doing that, I went in and used the butter to glaze the fish, and I also used some of the butter to fill it. So this is what it looks like close up. It looks so good, and it's not even done. So you want to just generously put all these okra and carrots and all the bell pepper, all the seasoning that you have. Don't mind me not wearing the gloves. This was for me and my family, and they don't mind me not wearing the gloves. Anyways, and so the butter, it's really hard to get on the fish because it was kind of cold, so I really had to use my hands. Then I went in with the thyme and so forth. After all of that, I then went in and added some callaloo, because typical Jamaicans, we always add callaloo to our fish on the grill. And because I'm overseas, I can't get the actual callaloo, fresh callaloo, so I have to use the tin one, which is not so bad. So guys, if you don't have the fresh callaloo, you can always use the tin one. It's good. And you can cook it before you put it in the fish, like cook it up like how you would usually cook callaloo. But if not, you can just place it just like how I'm doing that. Then once I was finished, I wrapped it. This is how I was wrapping it. Oh, it looks so good. Once I finished wrapping them, I did it to the other 2 fishes. And then I went and moved on to the next step, as you guys will see in a little bit. This is another close-up to show you what it looks like before I wrapped it and put it in the grill. So you see how it's filled with all the okra, the bell peppers, the thyme, and all of that. And then this one has more carrots on it. So whatever you like more, you put it in it. Then this is me putting it on the grill. I placed it on the grill, and then I didn't use a lot of coal because you don't want it to burn. You just want it to play on the grill and steam. Once I covered it, I let it stay on the grill for a good 20 to 30 minutes. And when it was almost finished, I went in and add the water crackers. You can use water crackers or cream crackers or your favorite type of crackers. And then I close it back and just let it steam for another 10 minutes or so. And then once that was finished, I took it off the grill, as you guys will see in a little bit. This was me. I was so excited. My family was so excited for this. And now I'm just going to show you what it looks like after a few minutes. So this one didn't have much liquid in it, so some of the crackers weren't soaked. But as you can see, the fish was finished. Then this is what the end products look like. All the crackers weren't soaked, but that was totally fine because I could use it and dipped it in the juice. Anyway, this is the end. Bye guys.